Hi all. Welcome to Missan IT Solutions, where we make IT happen.
Hi guys, welcome back. Today we will be showing you how to create a Windows virtual machine in the Azure Portal. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and I hope you learned something. Alright, so first off, sign in to Azure. You may need to create a free account to proceed, and once you have done that, just click on Virtual Machines. Afterwards, once you find the virtual machines, select Create Azure Virtual Machines, then the creation page will open. Fill in the credentials needed to create an admin account for your virtual machine. Afterwards, choose and allow selected ports RDP and HTTP from the dropdown, then leave everything as default. And after a quick validation test, click on Create and then click on Go to Resource. And on the overview page for your virtual machine, select Connect and RDP. In there, keep the default options to connect by IP address over port 3389 and click Download RDP file. Alright, so open the downloaded RDP file, click Connect when prompted, and in the Windows security window, select more choices, then use a different account. Type the username as local/username, enter the password you created for the virtual machine, and then click OK. You may receive a certificate warning during the sign-in process. Just click Yes or Continue to create the connection. To see your virtual machine in action, install the web server. Open a PowerShell prompt on the virtual machine and run the following command. And there you go. If you want to access your virtual machine, simply copy the IP address and paste it on a browser and it should look like this. For more Azure-related inquiries, contact us or visit our website www.missancomputer.com.
Thank you for watching. For more updates, follow us on LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and Twitter.